Beckwell is the most popular and the highly rated content character and plus size model in the United States. Her real name on the moon is, but she is famous for Instagram. Handle Black William. In this article, we will be looking at the biography, age, height, career, and lifestyle. Beckwell is not the famous, endorsed, but also creative content. Most famous for the photos and the reel on Instagram. Today she has most 30 and 30k followers on Instagram. Her passion for dressing style is evident by her detailed fan base. Besides her presence on Instagram, she is also active on Twitter and TikTok. She was born in the United States on the February 6. Her zodiac sign, Aquarius. Information about her age, date of birth 6 February, place of birth USA, zodiac sign Aquarius, nationality United States. She started her Instagram account in the year 2012 and after posting some of her stunning photo and the reel. She is a quickly 1,000 followers. Currently she has more than 30 and 30k followers on Instagram. She was working with the Ghost TV and she has also been a speaking model for the because of her collaboration. This platform has made her so more in the industry. Social media handle Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.